जय हिंद दोस्तों। स्टेनोमेड इजी पर आपका स्वागत है। स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश का एक और डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड प्रति मिनट की स्पीड से। रेडी, स्टार्ट। इन आवर व्यू, कॉमा, देयर इज नो substantial difference between the terms compensation and damages, full stop, when such a complaint relating to any service is filed, comma, the law lays down that a copy of the complaint has to be sent to the opposite party within a period of 30 days, and if the opposite party on receipt of copy of the complaint denies or disputes the allegation or fails to represent his case within the time given by the district forum, comma, the dispute has to be settled by the district forum on the basis of the evidence placed before it by the complainant and the opposite party, or on the basis of the evidence produced by the complaint where the opposite party has not adduced any evidence or failed to take any action to represent his case, full stop, the presiding officer of the consumer redressal agencies at the district level, comma, state level and national level is a legally trained person, full stop. The other members may or may not be having experience in law, full stop. The act contemplates speedy and effective remedy, comma, but takes care to mandate compliance with the principles of natural justice and rendering of decisions after considering the evidence on record, full stop. The act fully ensures procedural due process, comma, the opposite party is heard, comma, evidence is considered and finding is recorded only after inquiry, full stop. In every complaint relating to medical negligence, as a general rule, it cannot be said that comprehensive evidence, irrespective of the nature of questions thrown open, must be brought on record for recording a finding as to alleged negligence, full stop. If the questions raised are simple and do not warrant evidence, the same must be decided by the consumer redressal agency, full stop. But if complex questions are raised necessitating elaborate evidence of a highly technical nature and examination of witness, especially expert witnesses, is going to be a time consuming process, comma, the redressal agency will have little choice but to ask the parties to approach the regular civil court for adjudication, full stop.